I came back now, I did not see her. As I'm talking to you, I've gone to the police station to make a report.
Okay, for God's sake, we're there again on. And my elders, please. I am sorry if what I will say now will sound harsh. This is what I never wanted for my sister. Yes.
My wife.
I know how hard we fought. My mother, my brother, and I. We fought for her not to marry this useless man.
Mind your speech.
Now you can see it. Eh? My sister Bagona. Eh? It will not happen. You must provide my sister. Because I will my uncle. You didn't hear what I said. You must provide my sister. I know what men do in the city. I live in the city. Oh, where go my sister Nalaka?
Hey.
I respect you.
Hey, you, what's your name? Collins or what? Silly bugger boy. Who are you? What are you insinuating?
See, don't ask him that kind of stupid question. I don't want to get angry. If you got my sister, my ritual. Hey! You have used my sister for money ritual, and you are coming here to tell us cock and bull stories.
Hey, Simon, please. Shut up! What do you mean? Eh? How dare you accuse my brother of money ritual? Okay, you expected him to die in this village with suffering.
We'll take him there.
What do you mean? Right to where?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.